Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing devices and accounts so streaming works smoothly. Make sure your Xbox and PC share the same network. Wired Ethernet is best for low latency. Once done, sign into the same Microsoft account on the Xbox app. Install or update Steam and the Xbox app on your PC, and pair your Xbox controller via Bluetooth or USB. This step removes account and connectivity barriers, so the next actions can discover each device without authentication hiccups. Next, enable streaming features and create the link between Xbox and Steam. On the Xbox console, enable console streaming or remote play in system remote features. Make sure Instant On is enabled. Then open the Xbox app on PC, choose consoles, and add your Xbox either by automatic discovery or by entering its local IP. Once the app can stream, add the Xbox app or the specific game to Steam as a non-Steam game to use Steam overlay and controller bindings while streaming. Finally, launch and optimize the session and know one key troubleshooting step. Start streaming from the Xbox app, then open Steam and launch the added Xbox app shortcut to keep Steam overlay and achievements working. Tweak stream quality and controller settings to balance resolution with input responsiveness. If you hit connection problems, power cycle the console and PC, confirm both are on the same network, and temporarily disable firewall or VPN. The most common fix is switching to a wired Ethernet link to eliminate Wi-Fi interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.